Welcome to this demo on the newly updated Wi-Fi channel assignment tool with the addition of Wi-Fi 6E. Here we have a simple design with 6 APs all transmitting on the 2.4 and the 6 GHz band. As you can see, they are all assigned the same channel. So the CCI, the co-channel interference, is very high. Let's run our co-channel interference map first. We can see we have CCIs up to 2. Now we will reduce this with the Wi-Fi channel assignment tool that will automatically assign channels to optimize this design. So as you can see, in this release, we have updated the UI for the Wi-Fi channel assignment, separated into 2 tabs. First tab is the configuration tab, and the second tab is the result tab. Let's go over the configuration first. You can see 3 sections for each band, the 2.4, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. As my design does not contain any 5 GHz, all channels are disabled here. Start with 2.4. The channels are set per best combination per row. So I have 1, 6, and 11 selected. I can unselect the 6 and only choose 1 and 11, or keep it as is, or choose any other channels. Keep in mind, if you cross channel selections over channels that overlap each other, this will cause channel interference and it will not be optimal. It's better to go row by row. Taking a look at the 6 GHz, similar to the 5 GHz, the channels are separated per bandwidth. This design contains the 20 and the 40 MHz bandwidth, so only the 20 and the 40 MHz channels are enabled and can be selected or deselected. The 80 and the 160 MHz channels are all disabled. Using the scroll bar, you can go all the way to the end of the spectrum and decide which channels you want to include. You can deselect some one by one. You can use the checkbox on the top to go per section, or you can leave all of them enabled. So this is the new updated UI with the advantage of channels being separated per bandwidth. Looking at the results tab, here you get a table of all your access points present in your design, similar to Wi-Fi Auto Channel Assignment tool in previous releases where we had the table at the bottom of the screen, but now it's in a full tab. You can see which APs contain which sources, on which floor, which bandwidth, and which channel they are currently using. After running the generate channel, you can take a look at the new channels associated to these APs. If you are satisfied with this result, click apply and your design will be updated. As you can see, all my APs have different channels now. If I run the co-channel interference again, I have a result of CCI of 0 throughout my whole floor. And this concludes our video on the new Wi-Fi channel assignment tool with the addition of Wi-Fi 6E. Thank you for watching.